Do you have a computer that always shows a very high memory and CPU usage on Windows 10 or Windows 11? Whenever you try to play games or use graphic programs, it hangs and slows down while showing 100% disk usage, CPU usage, and RAM usage. If this is the case, then let me show you how to fix the high memory usage, CPU usage, and RAM usage without installing any software or application. Just follow these easy steps to fix this problem. We will be troubleshooting and fixing this problem right from our computer. Number 1. Disable services. Right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. Type in services.msc and press enter on your keyboard. A new window will appear. Here we will be looking for either one of these two services, either Superfetch or Sysmain. Both of these services are the same. If you do not find Superfetch, then look for Sysmain. Press S key on the keyboard and here it is. You must make sure the startup type is disabled. If not, just change it to disabled. If you are wondering why we have to disable this service, it's because this service makes the random application that we frequently use, it makes them available for us all the time as they are running in the background, and this is why the usage of CPU, RAM, and disk go very high. So if you disable this service, it won't cause any issue but will decrease the high usage of resources on your computer. My laptop is working absolutely fine now. If you want to see, I will just do a right click and I will go to Task Manager. Just look at the performance. Currently I'm using the screen recording, still the CPU usage and disk is absolutely fine. 2. Right click again and go to Run. Here we need to type in sysdm.cpl. Press enter on your keyboard. Now we need to go to the Advanced tab and under the Performance, click on Settings. You will see a window like this where you have this Visual Effects tab. We have 4 options here. Let the windows choose what's best for your computer. Adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, and custom. Select adjust for best performance. Click on apply and then OK. Now you can close out of this window and let's move on to the next step. 3. Right click again and then go to Task Manager. Now go to Startup tab. Make sure you do not disable graphics, audio, Wi-Fi, security, and other sort of things. Other than that, disable all applications that start up automatically when you first turn on your computer. I have very few services that run at the start up, which are essential. The rest of the applications are disabled. You can also do that. This will drastically lower the usage of the RAM as well as the CPU usage. 4. The next step is to open the File Explorer. I will just maximize it and I will go to this PC. Now most of us forget that we should also have enough space in our computer. If you are playing games or if you are doing video editing, sound editing, which requires a lot of memory, please make sure you have at least 50 gigabyte space in your computer. Just go through your computer and delete any documents, photos, and videos that are not important. The more space you have, the more it will be used as a virtual memory. 5. One more thing which we need to do is update the Windows. You just need to click on search icon and type Windows Update, and here you will find Windows Update settings. I need to restart my computer for the updates to take place. You will see a button saying check for updates. Click on that button and update your Windows. 6. You can also create a power plan. Type power in the search window and you will find choose a power plan, edit a power plan. I'll click on choose a power plan. From here you can select the computer in high performance. If you do not see high performance or ultimate performance, what I would recommend is to select and create a new power plan. So once you create a new power plan, if you get a high performance or ultimate performance. This will be very helpful in boosting your computer's performance. 7. Remove the cache from your computer. For that, right click and go to Run. Now type clean mgr and hit enter. This will open up the disk cleanup utility for Windows C. You can select all these files because these are all cache and temporary files. You can see I have more than 1 gigabyte, but in your case it can be more. So you can get rid of all those junks and make your computer faster. And even if you are facing high usage of disk, CPU or RAM, it will fix these problems as well. Once it's done, close this window. 8. Right click again and click on Run. Type temp, that is TEMP, and hit enter. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A to select all, and then press Shift Delete to delete all these junks. We don't need these files, and once you remove them, the computer will be absolutely junk free. 9. Open the Run window again and type %temp% and hit enter. This also takes us to another location of junk files where you can select all and you can press Shift Delete. Hit enter on your keyboard. Some of the files will remain and it will not be deleted. That's absolutely fine. You don't have to worry about it. You can skip that and just close this window. 10. Last but not the least, we need to run the Windows Defender Security Scanner. So here at the bottom right corner where you have this shield icon, you just need to open that, and under Virus and Threat Protection, click on that, and here you will find many options like current threats and more. Yours will be different, so you need to click on Scan option and select a full scan. Check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. This is a very good practice to do. I would recommend you to do the scan every month because it will not only remove the viruses and other bad files, but it will also ensure you don't have anything which conflicts with the computer. You just need to click on Scan Now and then wait for the scan to complete. In the end, it is necessary to restart your computer. Many of us forget to restart the computer, and it's a very important process to do. Once you restart the computer, you will see a big boost in your computer's performance. See the difference in your computer. You can let me know how is the performance and how is the usage. Just right click in the start icon and go to Task Manager. Now go to the Performance tab, see the CPU usage, memory, and disk usage, and let me know how is the performance now and how it was earlier. If this tutorial has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Please leave a comment. I will be waiting for you guys. You have a wonderful day and take care.